What is up, guys? It's your boy here back with another video, and in today's video we are installing none other than this genuine Momo steering wheel. Now this is my 2005 350 coupe, and this came with the factory, your standard G35 or V35 steering wheel. If you guys don't know that, G35, V35, and I believe 350Z and Nissan Stagea, which I don't think you guys have it at the States, only the right-hand drive country got it, and they actually have 3 different type, different look, optional Momo steering wheel, and this being one of it. So I know this is a bit ripped, but I mean, it is what it is. I can probably make it look better later on, but I'm super excited for this one because actually these stuff are really rare nowadays, and says Momo right there, and this is just plug and play. And I know you will lose the function of these, but since I have to double in and I haven't wired up these stuff, so I can't use them anyway. And I assume we'll start peeling now as well, so it is perfect excuse for me to upgrade. Before I dive into this, let me quickly show you guys what the other 2 optional Momo steering wheel look like, because your boy is into collecting all these genuine stuff. So this is one of the other genuine Nismo, Momo steering wheel options. So you see Momo, and says Nissan right here, and this is, I believe, very slightly bigger in one size compared to the other 2, and this is the only 4-spoke option, and the other one is 3-spoke as well right here. So this is the other option, like Momo steering wheel right here, which in my opinion this one looks the best out of all of them. This is a 3-spoke design, and here's the airbag, which is all plug and play. All of these were option from the factory, from dealer. And yeah, personally I like the one in my blue 350 coupe. I like that style the best. I think that is the same style as like an Evo 789 stock factory steering wheel, and this one same style as like an optional R34 Nismo steering wheel. The difference is that would say Nismo right here, and that side part is grey, and I have seen that steering wheel reaching like well over $1,000 on Yahoo auction. I know, right? Which is crazy. And yeah, my least favorite is that 4-spoke design, which I believe is the same style steering wheel that Subi use. You see those Legacies, wagon or sedan, they have that kind of 4-spoke design, and then it's that boring stock factory 3-spoke design steering wheel, which is actually not that ugly, but you know what, it is not that sporty either. So yeah, first thing first, I'm going to disconnect my negative terminal on my battery, because you don't want that to blow your face up. And once I've done that, you come to the side of the steering wheel, and you see these little covers. You can literally just pop it off with your nail, and same on this side as well. You just pop them off like that, and then you can see this weird looking type of lock nut, which you need this I believe it's like T30, right? Yeah, T30, S2 T30. So yeah, there's this weird bit, I don't even know what you call it. And yeah, basically you just break it loose and try not to strip it, because you don't have a very nice stay if you do. And same on this side as well, and just like that, you just want to take these 2 out, completely out. And yeah, with those 2 removed, you can literally just pop out the steering wheel like that. And there's this little steering wheel clip, not the steering wheel clip, sorry, the airbag clip, and you literally have like a little, try to have like a little flat head, and then pop the black piece up, and once it's up you can literally just remove the yellow plug like super easy. So yeah, you can see once that little black piece is like popped up, you literally just pull and it's like that, easy. Put the airbag, chuck it down there, and then just like you have like a little plug right here, which is for like all of these and the horn. So you just like disconnect this one as well, and just like that, and then break it loose, 19mm nut, and just like that, that is off. And now basically putting the new steering wheel on there, you can see there's a little line in the middle, and you want to line up with the line on the steering wheel. Now I know if you want to line up 100% at least in this car, in this case, that line is not going to line with that the line on the steering wheel 100%. It's like either a bit too far to the left or either a bit too far to the right, but I just keep it a bit too far to the left. I don't know, it was like that before. So, and yeah, after that, basically just connect your horn and make sure it's like, oops, and yeah, just like that, make sure it's like in place. And you wanna install the big 19mm nut, and I would suggest torque it down, but yeah, I'm not gonna worry. And also plug in your airbag and basically reverse all the steps, put all the screw, put the airbag in, put the screw on, put the caps, like all these caps back on, and you're good to go. And I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. And boom, just like that, it is installed. And look at that Momo steering wheel, eh? It needs to clean up, but I've popped the battery back on. I'm gonna test whether the airbag light is on or not. Oh, actually it will be on, because I think one of the resistor I did under the seat was like loose. But let's try out whether the horn works or not. Yeah, airbag light is on. It's not because of the steering wheel, it's because the one under my, because I've got 350Z seat, is under the seat, the little airbag resistor. But let me test the horn. And yep, it does work. And just like that, guys, nice and easy. And absolutely I love this steering wheel. Actually, I've been wanting to have this steering wheel in the sedan, because you know, like my sedan, my coupe, this and that sort of thing, like just looks so much better, you know. Like the factory wheel isn't ugly, but you know, it's like just saying Momo, it just make it look cool. And I know, guys, that is absolutely ugly, and at the meantime I might get like a steering wheel cover or something just to cover it up, and later on I'll definitely try to fix the steering wheel. If you like this kind of video, share, comment, subscribe, and basically that'll be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.